Okay, I just found this chat by Cartoon Cat, and I was like so surprised. He has a YouTube channel. He's like, "Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to eat the player." And he also knows my name. Hey Michaela, do you think hiding on a tree will save you? How does he know what I'm doing? You can see I'm hiding on a tree. I know where you... Again? What if I type in Cartoon Cat? Please, Cartoon Cat. Please don't. Cartoon Cat, yeah, Cartoon Cat, help me. Oh, I'm so scared. Let's check the chat now. I don't think I'm that brave. What? What? Did you see that villager? I just killed him. Oh, you know what? I will kill your pet. I don't even have a pet.
No?
But you're a cat, so I can have you as a pet. He's like, ha. That's foolish. And did you even hear him? He was laughing too. What a scary cat. You are my pet. You are a cat. Well, some kind of creepy cat. Oh no, he's coming. Please help me. Please, just please. Oh no, he's going to the ice world. He's in Ice Age now. As the killer cat. Oh no, he's coming back. Guys, he's coming back. He's coming back. And he's coming closer now. Oh, please don't kill me. Please, 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 please. I'm right in front of the TV right now. But that's where you can hear talking. It's not from this guy. Check this thing again. Hey, Michaela, did you... That's all, folks. That's all, folks. You better build a home fast because you... I'm scared. Did you see that villager? I just killed... How did he even know that I spawned in a villager? Guys, as you can see, I spawned in a villager and he ate me.